Story 4. One of the kings of Persia had sent an able physician to wait upon the Mustafa, Muhammad, the benediction of Allah, singular and definitive term for God, and peace be upon him. And he remained for some years in the Arab country without anyone coming to him to make a trial of his ability or desiring to be treated by him. He went to the Prophet, salutation to him, and complained that, although he had been sent to treat the companions, none of them had, up to this time, taken notice of him or required the services incumbent upon him. The apostle, salutation to him, replied, "It is the law with these people not to eat until appetite overpowers them, and when some of it yet remains, they withdraw their hands from food." The doctor said, "This is the cause of health," and kissing the earth of service departed. The sage begins to speak, or points his fingers to the dish, when silence would be dangerous, or abstinence would bring on death. No doubt his wisdom is in speaking, and his eating bears the fruit of health. And sometimes the point is inaction or silence. Other times it's whatever. One's got to know what the rule is, and certain manners according to your country can help things. Just don't, moralize it and act like, oh, well, it's wrong not to do it. It's not the same thing as wrong. It's just, here's the circumstance where it could have been wrong or whatever.